Hi there. So this is really just a quick update video, just to let you know that today I finally got the parts back from the Vapour blast cleaners, all the various casings, etc. And as you can see, as ever, there's an awful lot of them on a Trident, and B, that they're all nice and clean now. So all the casings are back. And what I'm doing now, in fact tomorrow, I'm taking some of the casings and the crankshaft and bearings and camshafts and valves. I'm taking everything over to Dave Smith, and two things. He's going to repair the casings that need repairing. So that's removing the kickstart from the gearbox outer cover, mending the broken casing on the outer primary cover, and mending these those three in the timing case, and then mending this bent fin on the there's this bent fin on the cylinders. Oh, and also there's this dear old broken stud down in here. Now I did have a go at trying to get that out. There is actually a broken thread in there, it's snapped off, but can't get it out. So whoops-a-daisy. So I'll take it back over. Yeah, what it is, it's the gland nut, as it's called. Probably can't focus on that. And that's sheared off. That goes in. It takes the cable for the alternator lead, goes up through there. And when I undid it, it just sheared off halfway through. So I'm going to see if we can get that thread taken out as well. And then we're over there. I'm going to have a chat with him, and we're going to look and see exactly what needs doing in terms of valve guides, valves, cylinder honing or cylinder boring, the camshafts, and the big ends, main bearings, everything on the crankshaft, and so on. And then he's going to repair the bits that need repairing, and then the engineers near him are going to do any necessary engineering work. And then when that comes back, we can actually then start getting on with reassembling the engine. And also at the same time, I will then take all the outer casings, these and the other outer casings, off to be polished. But whilst they're being polished, we can actually get on and start rebuilding the rest of the engine, which obviously we can't do yet. But when they come back from Dave's, then we can get on. So really, I'm just giving you an update today, just to let you know that I haven't really gone anywhere. I haven't forgotten about the engine rebuild, because I know I've not posted anything for a couple of weeks, simply because everything's been at the blast cleaners and it's taken ages. And anyway, I finally got them back today. But don't worry, I have not forgotten. The engine rebuild is coming as soon as it possibly can do, which is when it comes back from Dave's in a week, or however soon he can turn it round. Okay, so there we are. So fingers crossed it won't be too long before we're ready to actually rebuild everything. I just say, when it does come back from Dave's, then there's a massive clean of everything, but I'll go through that, because now it's all been Vapour blasted, everything's got to be cleaned thoroughly. I'm not doing that until stuff comes back from Dave's, because there's still some sort of more engineering work and so on that's got to be done that might create more stuff that's got to be cleaned. So I will clean everything that was Vapour blasted very, very thoroughly when it comes back from Dave's. But we'll go through that piece by piece as we come to assembly and exactly what we're doing. Okay, that's it for now. So hopefully I'll be posting the next video before too long, which will be in a week or so, when the things come back and we can actually start reassembling the beautifully clean engine.